It's a great pleasure to open this series about human brains, and I want to thank the Fondazione Prada for the initiative and for the invitation. And being a neuroscientist, I have to say I think this initiative is quite timely. So if the coronavirus would have not altered and interrupted our lives a few months ago, I could have said that we are starting what we could call the age of the brain. So why would I say that? Well, I think there is a renewed interest in the brain coming from many different fronts. So I will mention four of these fronts. On the one hand, from the governments, we can see that there are initiatives going on, very largely collaborative projects, not only in Europe with the Human Brain Project, of which I'm part, and in which there are almost 100 institutions in Europe collaborating, but also in other countries. There is in the United States, there is the Brain Initiative, there is the China Brain Project in China, in Japan there is MINDS, in Korea there is Brain Canada, Australia, Israel. So there is a moment in which there is an interest for the governments to advance in the study of the brain. On the other hand, I can see that there is a very large interest from the side of the general public. So people are genuinely interested in understanding about their brain, with the idea of each one has different motivations. People want to improve their brain function. They want to prevent neurodegenerative diseases. They want to understand the science of the brain, what the brain has to tell you about different aspects. And this is why I have selected in this slide different books that appear. Some are more scientific than others, but they respond to this demand, to this interest. And they are books on neuroeconomics, neuroscience, neuromusic, neuromarketing, neurogastronomy. So it reflects this interest from the general public to try to understand as much as possible about their brains.